U.S.-based attorney Wayne Golding is warning Jamaicans holding green cards and those applying for residency in the U.S. that they could be impacted by the Trump administration's decision to re-examine every green cards issued to individuals who immigrated to the U.S. from 19 countries. The 19 countries include Haiti, Cuba, Venezuela, 10 from Africa, and 6 from Asia. The head of the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, Joseph Edlow, announced that President Trump had directed him to conduct a full-scale re-examination of every green card for every alien and from every country of concern. Mr. Golding, speaking with our news center, cautioned that the sweeping policy will affect green card holders in the Caribbean, but urged them to be calm.
It's specifically geared at 19 countries, specific countries that are listed by the administration. Now, yes, it may have an effect on other green card holders from other countries, being that a full-scale operation like this will definitely slow down the service for other green card holders or people seeking to get their green card. But right now, it's limited to 19 countries and designated third world countries. So people need to just be calm. We have to wait and see how the administration rolls out this examination and what is the process going to be. And of course, if people who have green cards are going to be affected, what the appellate process would be for them if they get caught up into a decision to remove their green card or put them under further investigation.